Welcome to the Global Eye Media, which reaches 35 million people worldwide, including 1 million households in Chicago, including Naperville, over 30,000 residents of Naperville. We are here with us with the talk of the town, a fierce, passionate, courageous Indian American woman leader, Vasavi Chakka.
Thank you, Vijayji.
Vasavi, what does your name Vasavi mean?
It means center of energy, Vijayji.
Wow, you are indeed today the talk of the town, the center of energy, the forefront leader in Naperville City. All eyes are on you, Vasavi. What made you take this courageous step to get into the political field, to stand for the Naperville City Council election, being the first Indian American ever in the history of Naperville to run for a citywide office?
This is the COVID pandemic, Vijayji, which made me realize this is not the time to sit on sidelines and do nothing. This is the time to step up and take up the challenge and lead the people. That's why I'm doing this endeavor, and I want to start this journey to help the community.
Absolutely right. How many of us has ever taken up? Vasavi is an IT entrepreneur, owner of a small business, mother, a community leader, has left all that to attack the root of the problem, is civic engagement. Today, we need leaders like you who can eschew your duties and take the courageous step and path to make a difference in the city of Naperville. Thank you, Vasavi. Vasavi, would you quickly tell our viewers, how do you plan to make the civic engagement into concrete action for the city of Naperville?
There are a couple of things, Vijayji. You need to engage everyone in the community in a meaningful and purposeful action. That goes with our children. We need to engage them in productive civic engagement from very young age. And then we need to take advice from our seniors, learn from their experiences, what they have been through with this the civic engagement in the community. They are the ones who made the community as it is today. So we need their inputs to make the progress continue in the community. And also, especially for our Indian Americans, Vijayji, they don't get engaged in the civic leadership. That is so important. They excelled in every field except in civic engagement. So it is very important for us to be engaged in the civic arena. Not only that, we need to encourage our kids and open dialogue why this is important. And local elections are so important. They impact your day-to-day life. So they need to make sure they are paying attention and they are addressing the issues and making their voice heard. And I am here to listen to people and be their voice on the council and encourage them to be part of this integral part of this civic engagement to make the community better.
Well said, Vasavi. You're really leading by your action and walking the talk. I'm sure this is going to inspire our second generation. When I see you talking with such passion, it reminds me of great Indian women leaders like Indira Gandhi, like Sushma Swaraj, like Jayalalitha ji, Mamata Banerjee. I can go on, Mayawati. And closer to home, we have Kamala Harris.
Yes, of course.
And also we have had some great legends. And I think that you are really going to ignite that spark, not only in Naperville City, but beyond. Now, what would you think are the three qualities of a leader today?
They need to be caring, they need to be passionate, and they need to be understanding.
Thank you. Yes, they need to be passionate, they need to be understanding, and they need to be caring. Yes, and above all, I think you would say honesty and integrity. We have heard of you talk about in recent times of how you're going to bring change in Naperville. You have said that you're going to make Naperville the Silicon Valley of Midwest. Could you tell our viewers how you're going to attract and make Naperville the Silicon Valley of Naperville?
Naperville is known for its tech corridor, Vijayji, but it has so much untapped potential. We can engage our high school students and college graduates and also subject matter expertise and venture capitalists into this journey of making Naperville is a Silicon Valley of Midwest. There are so many opportunities here, and we need to come together and open dialogue and discuss and make this vision possible, and we can do that.
Thank you, Vasavi. Friends, this is the golden opportunity, a historic moment, the first Indian American woman and the first Indian American ever standing for office in Naperville City Council. Today, we don't have a single alderman in the city of Chicago or in any of the major cities. This is your time to come out and vote. Do not miss this opportunity. Here you have a proven leader who's compassionate, who's honest, who's for unity and integrity and principled. This is the time, April 6th, vote for Vasavi Chakka number 3. This is a life-given opportunity in our generation today. My dear friends, all of you, Indian Americans, the general mainstream people of Naperville City, come out, tell your friends to vote for Vasavi Chakka for Naperville City Council on April 6th. Vasavi, your last words and comments to our people. We are on April 6th, a few days away. Please spread the word. Early voting is going on. This is our opportunity. This is our moment to shine. This is our time to come. Vasavi, thank you for being courageous, for being the leader in our community, for taking the challenge of standing for election. Let me assure you that our Indian American community, our Asian American community, the Naperville community will not let you down. We will see that you're victorious on April 6th. Vasavi Chakka on April 6th, number 3 on the ballot.